Welcome to Babunga's channel. Let me show you the clothes that I made. This is the energizing or empowering set of clothes. All warm colors. And also in their handmade box you see here the calming set of clothes. All cool colors. Third and last box contains the purifying set. All transparents, whites and metallics. And now let me put on the energizing set. All these oranges, reds, yellows and golds. All these cheerful, energizing colors that look so beautiful. The next set that I'm wearing, the purifying, is my favorite. So sparkling, bright and clear. I guess that combing the aura with these will make it brighter and more light. Let me change now into the calming set of clothes. Cool colors, calm colors, blue, teal, greens and purples. Combing with these will bring serenity. In my last video, you can find the way to make these clothes. They are really easy to make, but it took me about 15 days for all 3 sets plus their custom-made boxes to complete from start to finish. It was a great project and I hope you like it.